This is what I'm talking about. That is a cool little bug out bike right there. It's a URAL.
Test 1, 2.
It's got a spare tire. Looks like it's got power to the sidecar. Can actually get two-wheel drive in the back. That's cool. Shaft driven. Lots of rack space. Got some fuel storage right there. And that's where the passenger sits. It's got an oh shit bar. Opposed twin engine. That's cool. Even has like a desert camo to it. And then there's the sidecar. It's got a bumper on it. Got like a crash bumper. Spotlight. Need a place to put your gun. You can put a machine gun on there. Some recovery gear, like a shovel.
Yeah, it's fine.
That is cool.
Well, thank you, bud. You bet. Sorry we didn't have one for you.
Go for it. There you go. It's made for going off-road, seriously.
It's got a little airbag.
Oh yeah, you're right, it does. Some kind of suspension system on there.
It's got airbags, bro, or just air shocks?
Air shock.
Yeah, that thing must be a beast off-road.
Oh, it is.
And these are built brand new overseas, right?
Yep, in Russia.
In Russia? That is awesome.
You can buy those just like that, you can buy that here?
Yeah, it says right here, starting price, 10,000 bucks. Yeah.
My shop's at Pro
Parkway.